Ruediger Krech, he's the director for health promotion at the World Health Organization, joins us now live from Geneva. Thanks for speaking to us. So I know you're celebrating this report, but you've also warned as well that no one should become complacent. Why is that?
Yes, indeed. Thank you very much. Indeed, we need to be complacent because if the policy measures are not implemented and controlled, we see rises in tobacco use straight away around the world.
Okay. So you've also said that even though this, marks progress, there are particular areas that are still at risk. Who and where?
Yeah, so we see very high prevalence levels in Southeast Asia. We see maintenance in Europe, so that the numbers really don't go down. These are areas of concern and, of course, targets for the tobacco industry.
What is it about tobacco that keeps people starting to smoke in the first place? I mean, addiction is one thing, but you're not an addict when you start. So today, with all the information that's available, I mean, about just how detrimental it really is, it's become culturally marginalized as well, yet still, why would people start?
Yeah, it's really the tactics by the tobacco industry who target our children, our girls, children between 13 and 15 years of age, and this is alarming. And of course, if you give out cigarettes for free, then girls do and children might take it and they might actually get addicted.
Why are these companies then allowed to do that by law? I mean, especially if we look at what happened in the United States and in Europe, there were multi-million-dollar lawsuits. Because they acknowledged that these were illegal, nefarious interests of these tobacco companies. So why are they still allowed to do this?
Yeah, then in most countries they're not allowed to do it, obviously, but actually if the law is not enforced, and that's why we say there's no time for complacency, if these laws are not enforced, then of course we see the targeting of children anyway. So that's why we believe it's important to, number one, celebrate this big success that we see for the first time, that men are using tobacco less, to 1 million in 2020.
Okay.
As we said, 5 million in 2025. That's a big success because we see that our policies do work.
Okay.
And that means that...
Ruediger, we're going to have to leave it there. I'd like to thank you so much for joining us on TRT World.